A political group door-to-door team has mobilized support for the re-election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the election of all other contestants under the umbrella of the All Progressives Congress APC in the forthcoming general elections in Ogun State. At the inauguration of the group in Ijebu Northeast local government area, its patron, Giwa Benjamin Balogun, expressed confidence to mobilize grassroots support for APC candidates. Correspondent has the details. That sets the tone for the launch of the door-to-door team comprising over 3,000 members drawn from the 10 wards in Ijebu Northeast local government area. Addressing party faithful and stakeholders including state and zonal executives of the All Progressives Congress APC, the patron of the group, Giwa Benjamin Balogun, alongside other party leaders, said the group was put together to canvass support for the re-election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and other APC candidates in the forthcoming general elections. He added that the strategy includes engaging grassroots canvassers from market men and women, artisans, transport unions, religious groups, community development association members, community development councils, and farmers, among others, to take the party's message and its candidates to every part of the state.
Our target is to vote in all our 5 candidates in the forthcoming election.
Other stakeholders said the group is targeting over 7,321 votes from each of the 10 wards in Ijebu Northeast local government area in the coming elections. The group appealed for cooperation and commitment of members to ensure victory for all APC candidates in the forthcoming general elections in Ogun State. Some beneficiaries of Senator Solomon Olamilekan Adeola, popularly known as Yayi empowerment programs, also commended him for embarking on developmental projects across the state.
We prayed, and God answered our prayer. He chose Yayi to help in providing social amenities for us in Ilawe community. We appreciate all what Yayi has done. We pray God will continue to bless him and he will fulfill all his purpose on earth.
Giving 70,000 each. After that, we visited Abeokuta for apprenticeship. They offer us jobs. I was given a grinding machine with the money to well bill it. They have done well.
Over 31,000 members of the door-to-door team of the All Progressives Congress APC in Ogun State pledged to work collectively for the success of all APC candidates in the forthcoming general elections. In Ijebu, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.